Hey guys, Abafana the boys. Abafana the boys, guys, be careful out there because these people know how to put themselves first. Imagine Umpumelelo, 2 kids later. Now he's basically saying she can go. And he's basically saying that when things are meant to be, you can't stop it. 2 kids later, when he feels, I don't know, guys, after God, fear umpumelelo. I'm not going to say fear men because I mean, we're not going to all now generalize with all men or like umpumelelo just because of one. Mm-mm. Let us just say after God, fear umpumelelo because what? Because what is this? So, guys, you'd know in the latest episode of Isingane Lengane, Umpumelelo finally, before this episode actually aired, I had said that I was curious to know what was Umpumelele's response to everything that Uvuyo guys is saying. Now, there's something that Sne said, you guys, that I totally agree with Usne. Sne said that she knows the pain that Uvuyolazi is going through, and she knows Uti, the decision that Uvuyolazi has made to no longer be with Umpumelelo. She knows that it's not because she does not love Umpumelelo anymore, but it's because of Isim or the situation. And you know what? I agree. I personally feel like for Viola to get to the point of making this decision, I don't even think she had planned or foresaw that things would have turned out the way they have turned out. I truly do think that maybe she thought that Umpumelelo would have a change in heart or maybe would like beg her or something like that. I also personally expected that, but the response, like Umpumelelo's response is just a reflection that this dude is done. He is done, you guys, and quite frankly, he's fed up. When Utanelo was asking him, he basically said, like, listen, this is what it has come to. That's yes, boy. But you know what? In all honesty, yes, at the end of the day, it worked out to their good because I'm just like, if it gets to a point where people feel like now they are ruining one another, which is what I feel like it's getting to. Rather, ukuthi nihlukane. But I was truly expecting Umpumelelo to truly beg Uvuyokazi based off of his father's advice. But I feel like even in the way he handled this whole situation in the trip, I think there was a little bit of being unwise. And I feel like there's a little bit of feeling pressure because it was done in front of everyone. Yeah, because I just have a feeling that maybe if this was done in private, Umpumelele's response would not be this. Because, oh, I don't know, but like I'm refusing to believe like this is how you get, like this is your baby mama for crying out loud and you answering her like this. But then again, maybe he feels like he needed to defend himself. So basically, when he was asked if he accepts everything that Uvuyokazi is basically saying, he said that when things are meant to be, you can't stop it. And he further says that it was meant to be for them to break up. And I'm like, I've got a problem with people who don't take accountability and then they throw it on if it was meant to be, we'd still be together. No. Sometimes if you just behaved, sometimes an apology goes the long way. Like, I don't know. And then he goes on to say, she can go now. I said, like, she can go now. And he says that it's the third time he's making this mistake. So he's clearly saying that he's been clearly choosing Uvuyokazi over and over again. And this is the third time he's making the mistake. He says Uvuyo made many leave. So Mpumelelo kahle kahle, he's still crying over the many other girls that left that Vuyokazi made them to leave in inverted commas. And he basically paints her in, he says that Vuyokazi made many leave and he continues to paint her in a good light. So Mpumelelo is saying what you guys are seeing here It's not really it's just that I don't want to go into too much details, but I've been painting this person in a good light. That's what Umpumelelo is saying. And he's like, you know what, now I've lost too many hands. I've lost too many potential girlfriends because of one person, Uvuyogazi. It is enough. She has prevented me from living my best life. She can go now. I'm just like, I'm sure Uvuyogazi herself did not believe her ears that night. I'm sure she did not believe her ears because what? Anyway, guys, I guess Umpumelelo is living his truth because I saw a picture that he actually posted on Instagram where basically he was saying that the people who want to talk can talk, like he is standing on his 2 feet. And listen, you guys, there's this slogan that he uses that basically means that you guys are going to say brother to a small boy. Something about niyoze puti enganini encane, something like that. But basically to say that the way I am making mature and grown men moves, and you guys are saying I'm young, you guys are going to end up bowing to me and saying older brother and calling me by older brother, even though I am the kid. Yes, but he believes he's living in his truth. And you know what, boy? Love your truth because at the end of the day, life is too short and you don't want to be doing things because people caged you up. At the end of the day, you're not married and get so do you. I'm just glad that it has gotten to this, that they're not going to ruin one another because, guys, people forcing to be in a relationship where you can see one, like, you can't fight for a relationship with one. Like the person you're fighting for must be willing to be fought for. And at this point, Umpumelelo does not want to be fought for. So, say we're right, guys. Say we're right. Anyway, guys, tell me what do you think of this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you on the next one.